over-the-counter medications. For a cold or flu, I take vitamins and use a nasal spray. For a sore throat, I take a pain reliever. For a cough, I take cough drops. For a fever, I take a pain reliever. For a headache, I take a pain reliever. For a stomachache, I take antacid pills. For a backache, I take a pain reliever. For a toothache, I take a pain reliever. For an earache, I use eardrops and take a pain reliever. For red eyes, I use eye drops. For a runny nose, I use a nasal spray.